Hey guys, next up I'm going to show you how to attach the quick release to the desktop workstation with a ball mount attached. Now the quick release can be attached to the desktop workstation directly, and you can also attach it to the adapter plate. It just goes exactly where the Fractal vise would go. But let's focus on this setup right now. So all you need to do is turn over your Fractal vise. You'll notice it has a plate on the back with a silicone pad in, which just aids on gripping onto surfaces. We're going to remove that silicone pad. And to do that, simply undo the 4 screws that hold the base on. And then once you have those screws removed, you can simply lift off the base and remove this component. Now if I turn over this base component, you'll notice it has some wings that are in a very set orientation. So what that will do is line up with the wings on this component. So as it's upside down, these can go into it and then outwards and lock onto the Fractal vise. So there's 2 orientations that you can have this. Inline, which will mean that the adjuster will be on the back end of Fractal vise, or if you simply turn this 90 degrees, you can have the adjuster or the release on the side, which is quite handy when you have the desktop ball mount attached. It works a lot better, so I'd recommend having it to the side. So let's set that up next. So I have it in the correct orientation, and now let's simply put those screws back in. A little tighten up just to make sure everything's nice and secure. Okay, so now you can put your Fractal vise to one side, and we'll show you what to do next. So all you need to do is turn your quick release over and then attach the base of the ball mount to the quick release using the screws supplied in the box. You can simply drop those down . If you do the 2 corner ones to get started, that will align it quite nicely. And then again, we'll just give them a very gentle tighten. Doesn't need to be over tightened this. And now your quick release is ready to be attached to your desktop workstation. Again, like in the other video where we showed you how to attach this directly to a Fractal vise, you pop that over there. The 2 threads match up, and we can simply spin that on until it's exactly where you need it to be. Again, you can use the actual quick release itself with 2 fingers on the brass pins and just give it a little nip, and that is securely in place. So to use the quick release, you have it in this position, so fully closed. That will allow the fractal vise to go over the top of this. And then once that's there, so again, line it up with the wings. So this is going to the side. So I'll pop that over there. So the wings have gone inside the fractal vise. And now I can simply rotate the thumb screw that's on the side of it, and we're locked in place. Now you can quickly undo, adjust, and use your fractal vise as normal, but you can also get it off nice and quick.